Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you get Cooking with Pinkie Pie on your device. No jailbreak or computer needed. So let's get right into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of gameplay. This works on iPhone and Android, and it's super awesome that you can actually go ahead and do it. So yes, it's pretty cool. And this is like, some people don't know that, yeah, you can actually get this on mobile. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get right into the tutorial. And I mean, this is pretty crazy that we can actually go ahead and play it on mobile, guys, but it works. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into the guide, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of gameplay here, and this is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys everything there is to see, but if you own a device like iPhone or Android, as long as it's like iOS 13 and above, this should work. So it's pretty cool, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So yeah, you can actually go ahead and get it onto your device, no problems, no jailbreaking, none of that. So yeah, pretty cool. So let's get into the guide, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So yeah, it's pretty crazy that we can actually go ahead and play it. So it's awesome. I mean, some people don't think that you can get it on mobile, but if you watch the tutorial, guys, it does work. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's get right into the guide, and I'm going to show you all there is to know how to download it onto your device, guys. It actually works, and it's pretty crazy. So yeah, you can actually go ahead and get it on mobile, and it works fine. I mean, there's no problem. And like, some people might think it doesn't work, but it does. So if this guide worked for you, then be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself and get the word out about this method. I haven't had any problems with it, but if you have like a really old phone, I guess it could lag. But it didn't lag for me, it worked. So it's pretty crazy that we can actually go ahead and get it. So let's get right into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it in a minute. But yeah, it's pretty crazy, and if you're someone without a PC or something, then you got to try this method right now. So yeah, it's pretty crazy stuff. I'm really happy I was able to get a working mobile download, guys, in 2023, and it is working right now. So try it out for yourself, get the word out about this method. It works for me. I haven't had any problems with it, so it is a pretty good download. And if you have a problem, it's probably because you're on like an iPhone 4 or something, because it works for everyone else. And it's a pretty crazy tutorial, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's get right into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it onto your device without any jailbreaking or computer. So yeah, you can get it, guys. You can play it, and you don't even need like a powered up phone like iPhone XR. You can play it on like iPhone 6s. So let's get into the guide, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. I'm just going to show you guys a little bit more gameplay, and then we will learn about how to download it. It's not that confusing, but there are some steps you might not be familiar with if you don't download a lot of modded apps and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys all the steps. It's really not that hard, guys. So let's get into the guide, and I'll show you guys how to download it. So I'm going to delete it just so I can show you guys how to download it from the beginning. So if you're using an iPhone, go to Settings, go to General, go to Background App Refresh, and make sure that it is turned on. So once you've done that, go to Battery, go to Low Power Mode, make sure it's off, and then come over to your browser. Just go to this page right here. So once it comes up, guys, just go to the search bar and put in Cooking with Pinkie Pie. Press install, and then wait until the bar reaches the end, and what it's going to do is download a configuration profile onto your device. So if you never downloaded that before, that's okay. I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to get it. So let's just wait for it to load here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to give it a second, and it should be done. So yeah, it's really easy if you got a decent connection. There shouldn't be any problems. So let's just wait for it to load here, as you guys can see. All right, and it should be done. So let's just let it load. All right, we'll just give it a second, and we should be all set, guys. So let's just wait. All right, so I'm just gonna give it a minute. All right, so the bar's at the end now, so press allow, close, and then all you gotta do is go to settings, and you should see profile down and message at the top. Press on that, press install, and then put in your password. So I'll do that off screen. I don't need you guys seeing the password, but after you do that, just go ahead and press next, and then install. Final one in red. You got it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you later, and peace out.